Okay, so after about 45 minutes or so, maybe a little bit more than that, maybe close to 50, I have now supercharged the Model S. And so as you can see right now, it's at almost full capacity. I set it to trip mode, which allows the car to charge closer to 100% of the battery's capacity. So normally day to day, it'll actually charge to about 85%, something like that, and then kind of go between, say, 80 and maybe 15 or so, just for life of the battery. But if you're going to go on a longer drive, like I am tonight, because why not, you can actually set it for trip mode, which will take a little bit longer to charge, because the rate kind of tapers off the more you try to fill up the battery. So that's what I did, just to see how long that would take. Actually, not bad at all. In terms of time, I did the little video there showing some of the Easter eggs, and then, yeah, that was about it. Kind of played around with the browser for a few minutes, and then walked just around the corner. There's a gas station, so stopped and just grabbed a bottle of water and used the restroom, and then came on back. And it's actually pretty nice. I turned on the campfire mode, which I forgot to show you earlier. So let's take a look at campfire mode. So, turn this light off. It's actually fairly nice when you're just kind of sitting in here. I don't know if this is even going to work at all showing my face. I'm probably just dark, so I'll turn that on. Yeah, it's kind of nice if you're sitting there just charging, and I just tilted the seat back and turned on campfire mode, and it's kind of nice. You can just kind of close your eyes and relax, and obviously you can't tell in the video, but the vents blow. It's not hot air, but just kind of a pleasantly warm, wafting, relaxing airflow sort of into the car. I'm fairly warm-blooded, I guess. I tend to get hot fairly easy, and it wasn't like that at all. It's just kind of a pleasantly warm environment. So it's kind of nice. You can just kind of let the campfire go and sort of do your thing. The other thing I think is super cool is, while it was doing that, I just kind of tilted my head back and rested for a little while. Looking up, I'm super glad I actually got one of these with the all-glass roof. Granted, it's nighttime and you can't really see a whole lot, but I can look straight up and the moon is right there, like right over my head. So when I start shopping for one for myself, I think I'm for sure going to go with the all-glass roof. I don't really care about the sunroof. It's just one more hole in the roof, you know, to break. But yeah, I like the all glass roof. That's pretty cool. It's just a nice, I don't know, it's weirdly cool, you know, just kind of leaning back and looking straight up, and there's just this giant window right over your head. So, yeah, I dig it. So anyway, I think I'm going to find another destination. I want to go up the coast and see how far I can get towards Big Sur. So, feeling pretty good. Had a nice little rest, and I've got, according to the car, looks like 327 miles of charge left. So, and plenty of firewood. So, yeah, so let's see how far that goes. I'm thinking I'll drive up that way a little bit, get to a reasonable point, maybe stop, take a little rest, possibly try out camping mode, and then head back down this way later on. I don't know what time it is. I think it's about 10:30 or so. I'll drive for probably an hour and a half up the road and see where I get. And then on the way back, it's actually a pretty good spot back here at the Madonna Inn. I can come back, I'll recharge, and then head back down towards Santa Barbara later tomorrow morning. Depending what time it is, I may just head from here back to my place and sleep for a little while, and then go to Santa Barbara after I wake up. Or I may just drive the thing all night. Who knows? Anyway, having a blast with this thing, and yeah, I think the only thing that a couple things that I've learned. Number one, definitely glass roof, bueno. And also, I think I would probably keep a not like a full-size pillow, but just one of those like airplane neck pillows, kind of back behind one of the seats in here for, you know, if you stop and you're charging, you want to have a little snooze. Yeah, that'd be definitely nice to have. The headrests in here aren't uncomfortable, but I don't know that I'd want to take a 45-minute nap with my head laying on there. You can do it. In fact, I just kind of did. It's not bad, but yeah, just having that little bit of soft, cushy neck support, I think, would be pretty awesome. So, anyway, on to the next feature. Let's see what's going on there. And we'll leave that with a little bit of the fire burning happily in my dashboard.